Internet Explorer was once the most used browser because it came with Windows, so almost everyone had it. But until a few years ago, before it died out, its main job for many people was downloading Chrome. However, it's now discontinued and is mostly used only for old websites or company systems. It was created by Microsoft and was known for working with many websites and also for being slow. But today it can no longer properly display most websites, and it's just a history. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's new browser that replaced Internet Explorer, and it's a little bit fast and smooth now. It has useful tools like vertical tabs and built-in AI, and it's a solid pick for students or office users. But it's still one of the best options for downloading Chrome because it comes pre-installed on Windows and is ready to use. And after downloading Chrome, it's ready for any big task. Brave is a browser made for people who care about privacy. It blocks ads and trackers automatically, so pages load faster and cleaner. But sometimes websites don't like ad blockers and might not work perfectly. It also has its own ad system that gives you a cryptocurrency called BAT for watching ads. But watching ads is totally optional. In short, Brave is great for privacy and speed and is one of the best choices. Opera is an old browser from 1994 that still has many fans because it comes with cool, built-in tools like a free VPN, battery saver mode, and a beautiful default UI that makes people happy. It also is a good choice for multitasking and laptop users and also supports most Chrome extensions. Opera still keeps its old users today, but it seems it has not been able to attract many new ones. Safari is Apple's own browser made for Mac, iPhone, and iPad. It runs very smoothly and saves battery better than most browsers, even Chrome on Apple devices. Safari syncs tabs and passwords very well across Apple products, which is really good and is the best choice if you use Apple devices. But outside that ecosystem, it's just a joke. Chrome is the most popular browser in the world because it's simple, fast, developed by Google, and works with almost every website. It syncs everything with your Google account, from your passwords to your browser theme, and even the extensions you've installed. It also has a huge extension library and is perfect for everyday users, students, developers, and almost everyone. The biggest problem with Chrome is that it uses too much RAM and collects a lot of user data, so it's not the best option for privacy and security. Chromium is actually the base or core for almost all the browsers we've talked about, except Firefox, of course. Other companies usually take Chromium and add their own features to it. So why are Chrome and Chromium so similar? The reason their UI, logo, and even their names look so alike is because Chromium was actually started by Google. Google first launched it as an open source project, then lots of developers joined and helped build it, and even today Google is still one of the biggest contributors to Chromium. Today Google adds tools like Google Password Manager, extensions, and other Google services and releases it as Chrome. Or in Brave, we get some extra security tools and ad blockers added to Chromium. Some users, like programmers and hackers, still use Chromium because it's super light, fast, and doesn't collect user data and has no automatic updates. Firefox is a free and open source web browser developed by Mozilla. It focuses on privacy and is popular with people who like customizing their browser. It uses the Gecko rendering engine to display web pages and is a good choice for people who don't want to rely on Chromium-based browsers. Firefox is also a cross-platform application like Chrome, Brave, and Opera, which means it's available for most operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS.